It's recording. Like, it's recording. Why are you standing there?
I thought you were taking pictures.
No, I'm not taking a picture. What are you doing?
Steve.
Oh, the poor kitty. Leave Mikey alone. What's that, Mikey?
Oh, where's my camera? Can you find it?
Camera.
Oh, poor kitty.
Yeah, there you go.
No,
Long cat is long.
I've been looking. I don't know
Why are you filming me? I'm saying this much pressure.
It's like,
I got a can.
oh my god. I don't know what to do now. Look, where's his hat backwards?
See how the batteries are.
There you go.